Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Mr. Prasad from ACE Engineering College. Now I am going to explain the one of the experiment in electrical machines lab using virtual lab platform. Name of the experiment is to study the load characteristics of a DC shunt generator. Okay, now see here the left side aim. Once we click the aim, we will get this one. Aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is to study the load characteristics of DC shunt generator and also draw the internal and external characteristics under different loading conditions. Here different loading conditions. Here the different bulbs are given as a load. We have to select the number of bulbs as a load. Okay. Now next one is theory. In this theory, we will get some introduction about the shunt generator, circuit diagram. See here, this is circuit diagram, and what is meant by internal characteristics and what is mean by external characteristics. Apart from that, this is the graph of the internal characteristics and external characteristics. Okay. Now this is preset. Here we know that here some questions are given like this. Like this, we shall attempt these questions. Now important thing is procedure. Here the procedure is given. In this procedure 9 steps are given. See here 9 steps. We shall follow these steps in order to simulate, in order to perform the load characteristics of a DC shunt generator. Okay. Now we are going for simulation. Simulation, here we will get the circuit. See here, this is MCB, this is the startup, this is ammeter, and this is voltmeter. This is also ammeter with a different range, and this is voltmeter. This is load, means lamp load. Here we are going to select the one by one, and this is DC motor coupled with shunt generator. Now we are going to make the connections. We will perform the experiment and we will observe the graph here. Okay, see this side the instructions are given. We shall follow this instruction to make the circuit diagram. See, first one is connections are made as per circuit diagram. So see here, this is connections from R, from R to C, R to E, B to Z, and B to A2. Like that we are going to make the connections. First R to C. Where is R? This is R. Now this is R to C. Okay. Now next one is R to E. This is R and this is E. Now next B to Z. That is B, this is B, and this is G. Okay. The next one B. Next one is B to A2. This is B. Where is A2? This is A2. Okay. Next one is A2 and Z2. This is A2 and this is Z2. Next one L to D. Where is L? This is L and this is D. Now next one is F to Z1. Where is F? This is F and this is Z1. Now next one A to A1. Where is A? This is A and this is A1. Okay. Now L to A4. L2, this is L2 and A4 is this. Now A4 and Z4. This is A4 and this is Z4. Next Z4 to K. Z4 to K. This is K. Now I to Z. Where is I? This is I and this is J. Next, J to L1. J to L1. L1 is now H to A3. Here H, this is A3. Now H to Z3. This is H to now. This is our circuit connection of the circuit diagram. Now next step, click the check button for checking the connections. Now we are going to check the connections while clicking the check button. Okay. Now it says correct connection. Then okay. Now third step is if the connection is correct, MCB will be turned on. Okay. Now MCB is turned on and generator starts. We should follow next step. So step number 4. Now select the number of bulbs from the lamp. Now I am going to select the number of bulbs. Here I am going to select the 2 bulbs. Okay. Now fifth step, click the add button to add the values to the observation table. Okay, this one, add button to add the values to the observation table. Okay. Now I am going to add. Now see here, add it. Now next step is, sixth one is add the different values to the table by increasing the lamp load. Now I am going to increase the lamp load 2 to 3. Now again I am adding. Again I am selecting one more load and I am adding. The procedure is repeated like this. I am adding one more load. I am adding the values. 6. Here I am adding. Again 7. Load number 8 and add. Load number 9. Total load. Again total 9. Okay, maximum 8 reading is allowed. So this is our observation table. We will see the next step. So click the graph. See here, click the graph button to create the graph. Now we are going to click the graph button. This is our graph button. Once I am clicking the graph button, see, this is our graph. Internal and external characteristics drawn between the voltage and the load current. So see, what is our next step? Next step is to print the button. Click on print button to print the web page, and last one is reset. So next one, we should take the print. Now here print button, we have to save the graph, circuit diagram and the observation table. Okay, like that, using the virtual lab platform, we will conduct the experiments like this. Thank you.